Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Allianz how to submit a claim. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To submit a claim using the Allianz mobile app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your My Allianz application and then simply log in with your credentials to access your Allianz account. Then once logged in on the home screen, simply tap the add button in the claim section. Then select your plan by choosing the appropriate insurance plan for your claim. Then fill in the required information about the incident, including dates, descriptions, and any other pertinent details. Then attach necessary documents such as receipts, medical reports, or police reports by selecting a file or taking a photo of your physical document. Then once done, review all entered information and submit your claim. You can monitor the status of your claim directly through the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.